Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new story highlight on the Instagram application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the profile section at the lower right corner of the screen and click to the plus icon at the upper side of the page. In the create section you can find the story highlight option, and here select a story and click to the next button. You can add a highlight name, and you can edit the cover of the highlight, and if you don't, just click to the done button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.